Hey future doctors! Welcome back to the City Quiz channel, your go-to resource for mastering the MDCAT entry test, especially in English. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of ambitious students. Today, I am thrilled to upload our fourth video in this series. In our first video, we covered essential grammar rules. The second video tackled challenging vocabulary, and in the third video, we focused on comprehension strategies. Now, in this fourth video, we'll be diving into the last 5 years' worth of MDCAT English papers, ensuring you're fully up to date and thoroughly prepared. Every minute of this video is packed with insights and tips that you can't afford to miss, so watch it till the end. Hit that subscribe button, like, and share to help this video go viral and assist even more students. Let's ace the MDCAT together.
Question number 91. Although he is not a close relative of me, yet I was greeted with a show of deep cordiality. Option A. Although he is not. Option B. A close relative of me. Option C. Yet I was greeted with a show. Option D. Of deep cordiality.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 92. International rules. The number of foreign entrants. Option A. Hoodwink. Option B. Stipulate. Option C. Fabricate. Option D. Traverse.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 93. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Obliterate. Option A. Sanctify. Option B. Annihilate. Option C. Obscure. Option D. Oblate.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 94. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one and fill the circle corresponding to that letter in the MCQ response form. Option A. He suddenly remembered that he has left his house unlocked. Option B. He suddenly remembered that he may have left his house unlocked. Option C. He suddenly remembered that he had left his house unlocked. Option D. He suddenly remembered that he will have left his house unlocked. Question number 95. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. A person which job involves calculating insurance risks and payments for insurance companies by studying how frequently fires, accidents, death, etc. happen is called an actuary. Option B. A person whose job involves calculating insurance risks and payments for insurance companies by studying how frequently fires, accidents, death, etc. happen is called an actuary. Option C. A person whose job involves calculating insurance risks and payments for insurance companies by studying how frequently fires, accidents, death, etc. happen is called an actuary. Option D. A person whose job involves calculating insurance risks and payments for insurance companies by studying how frequently fires, accidents, death, etc. happen are called an actuary.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 97. She managed to jabras a ticket for the cricket match. Option A. Procure. Option B. Obscure. Option C. Improvise. Option D. Preclude.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 98. My advice had no hands on him. Option A. Affect. Option B. Affect. Option C. Influence. Option D. Impression.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 99. The stench of dead animals and plants made Mumtaz ill. Option A. Putrid. Option B. Purified. Option C. Perturbed. Option D. Purchased.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 100. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. In a short while, quiet a large crowd had been collected. Option B. In a short while, quite a large crowd had collected. Option C. In a short while, quite large crowd had collected. Option D. In a short while, quite the large crowd had been collecting.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 101. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct option. A. Why did you disagree with me? Option B. Why did you disagree to me? Option C. Why did you disagree on me? Option D. Why did you disagree by me?
Correct answer is A.
Question number 102. Prodigious. Option A. Productive. Option B. Enormous. Option C. Prudential. Option D. Waddle.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 103. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word arcane. Option A. Mysterious. Option B. Furious. Option C. Arid. Option D. Clear.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 104. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct option. A. He was drenched with the hotness of his fear. Option B. He was drenched in the hotness of his fear. Option C. He was drenched by the hotness of his fear. Option D. He was drenched off the hotness of his fear.
Correct answer is D.
6. Pakistan. From voting against Iran in the United Nations. Option A. Prevented. Option B. Detained. Option C. Abstained. Option D. Refused.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 107. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word evanescent. Option A. Evident. Option B. Permanent. Option C. Event. Option D. Transitory.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 108. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Will you notice the peach blossoms? Option B. Have you noticed the peach blossoms? Option C. Were you notice the peach blossoms? Option D. Are you notice the peach blossoms?
Correct answer is B.
Question number 109. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word sidle. Option A. Sneak. Option B. Sift. Option C. Siege. Option D. Sieve.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 110. Iniquity. Option A. Inequality. Option B. Wickedness. Option C. Injustice. Option D. Efficiency.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 111. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct. Option A. It would save him from dying of thirst. Option B. It would save him from dying from thirst. Option C. It would save him from dying with thirst. Option D. It would save him from dying by thirst.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 112. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. In North Africa, he barely escaped assassination at the hand of the governor of the province. Option B. In North Africa, he barely escaped from assassination at the hands of the governor of the province. Option C. In North Africa, he barely escaped from assassination at the hand of the governor of the province. Option D. In North Africa, he barely escaped
Correct
assassination at the
answer
hands
is
of the governor
A.
of the province. Question number 113. Chips, thinking it over a good many time, always added to himself that Kathy would have approved. Option A. Thinking it over. Option B. A good many time. Option C. Always added to himself. Option D. And also have been amused.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 114. Your argument is simply abstruse, as there is no clarity of thought and coherence in ideas, and it also lacks vision. Option A. Your argument is simply abstruse, as option B. There is no clarity of thought. Option C. And coherence in ideas. Option D. And it also lacks vision.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 115. When he was a child, every time he, naughty, his foster mother used to threaten to send him to Timbuktu. Option A. When he was a child. Option B. Every time he. Option C. Were naughty. Option D. Threatened to send him.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 116. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. She had turned on the supper steaks when the telephone rang. Option B. She had turned over the supper steaks when the telephone rang. Option C. She had turned into the supper steaks when the telephone rang. Option D. She had turned in the supper steaks when the telephone rang.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 117. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Mitigation. Option A. Alleviation. Option B. Classification. Option C. Formidable. Option D. Poisonous.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 118. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Indictment. Option A. Humiliation. Option B. Offended. Option C. Accusation. Option D. Invisible.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 119. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Trifle. Option A. pudding, option B, minor, option C, deluge, option D, treble.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 120. She felt unreal to the voice informed her of the subway accident. Option A. She felt unreal to the voice. Option B. She felt unreal as the voice. Option C. She felt unreal that the voice. Option D. She felt unreal for the voice.
Correct answer is B.